Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Insightonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to solve a numerical example of this Slutsky equation. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने एक पूरा डेरिवेशन किया था फॉर द Slutsky equation, जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन डिराइव किया था फॉर द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ प्राइस इफेक्ट इनटू सब्स्टिट्यूशन इफेक्ट एंड इनकम इफेक्ट बेस्ड ऑन द Slutsky's इक्वेशन. ओके, इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में हम लोग उसका न्यूमेरिकल एग्जांपल देखेंगे using the given utility function and the budget function, and also you have been given the demand functions and the utility function, and using that we have to manipulate it based on the Slutsky's equation. Okay, so start करते हैं. First let me write the Slutsky's equation that we have derived earlier. It is like this, or you can write in derivative form. Okay, this is the equation for price effect decomposition. This is the Slutsky's equation. Okay, now we have to manipulate our given functions based on this particular equation. Okay, so first we have to, this is an expression for price effect, which is equals to substitution effect plus the income effect. Here the negative sign depicts the sign of overall income effect. Okay, now we have x is equals to m by 2 px. Okay, and xc, that represents the compensated demand for good x, which is given as price of y, price of x individually half into u, and your u bar is given, that is your indirect utility function. This u is given as m by 2 1 by price of x half, price of y half. Okay, now we have to manipulate these terms. Okay, so for deriving price effect, we have to take the partial derivative of this x with respect to price of x. Okay, so take the partial derivative of x with respect to price of x. So as we know, we have to differentiate this particular term with respect to price of x. तो हम लोग price of x को भी इस साइड रखते हैं और बाकी जो टर्म है एज इट इज इसको इधर रखते हैं. ओके, जिससे कोई कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट ना हो. नाउ ये डिनोमिनेटर में, इसको फर्दर कैलकुलेशन इजी करने के लिए इसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाते हैं. इट साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, -1 हो जाएगा. दिस m by 2 विल रिमेन एज इट इज. अभी सॉल्व करते हैं. एज यू नो द रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, x raised to the power n आगे आ जाता है x n minus 1. Okay, so here in our case x is equals to price of x, your n is equals to -1. अभी सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. इससे so -1 आगे आएगा तो 1 लिखते नहीं है हम. price of x -1, this is our n, and then -1, and m by 2 as it is. So you will get minus 3 of x px square in minus term, and this m by 2. इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, अगेन डिनोमिनेटर में लेके जाएंगे जस्ट टू चेंज द साइन. हम इसको अभी कंबाइन करके लिखते हैं. टू प्राइस ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस, सो वी गॉट दिस फर्स्ट टर्म. Okay, the price effect, your price effect is equals to this expression. Okay, now we'll derive an expression for substitution effect. So we have been given xc as price of y half, price of x half, u bar. So first always with respect to price, तो price denominator में इसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे हम लोग. इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं इसको. एंड हमारा प्राइस ऑफ वाई एंड यू आर विल रिमेन एज इट इज। अब इसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं तो माइनस हाफ आगे आएगा, प्राइस ऑफ एक्स माइनस वन बाई टू minus 1, price of y 1 by 2 u y. Okay, so we can write it like this, 1 by 2 price of x minus minus plus हो जाएगा, साइन माइनस का ही रहेगा, you will get 1.5. Okay, and price of y 1 by 2 u bar. Now we can replace this u bar with the given expression minus 1.5, और दिस इज अ नेगेटिव साइन, सो हम इसको डिनोमिनेटर में भी लिख सकते हैं, like 1.5, and this is an expression that is given in our question for u bar. So let's solve it. So py cancel out हो जाएगा, you will get minus m by this 1.5 and this half equals to, you will get px square, then 2 into 2 you will get 4, 4 px square. This is an expression for your substitution effect. Now we'll derive an expression. Oh, sorry. So we have to derive an expression for x with respect to E or M. We will write it as M because at equilibrium your income is equals to your expenditure, and we have been given x is equals to m by 2 px, and we have to differentiate this x with respect to m, and as we know m की पावर 1 है, तो इसको जब डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो 1 आगे आएगा, तो 1 लिखते नहीं, we'll get 1 minus 1, sorry 1 minus 1, फर्दर एक्सपेंड करेंगे 1 into 1 minus 1 इसको नीचे जाएगा, m to m कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1. So instead of m we'll get the derivation as 1. So जब भी कोई भी वैल्यू है, x की वैल्यू अगर 1 है, आप उसके रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन कर रहे हो, तो उसका ओवरऑल वैल्यू 1 हो जाता है. ओके, एंड ये कैसे होता है, आई हैव डिराइव्ड इट इन दिस वे. So you will get 1 by 2 px. Okay, now your overall income effect based on this Slutsky equation is written as x del x by del m. Okay, so we have to make an expression based on this. So you know your x is equals to m by 2 px, and now you had expression for this, so you can write it here. Okay, further solve this, you will get m by 2 into 2 is 4 px square. Okay, so this is the final expression for your income effect. Now let me like x del x by del m. This is a final expression for income effect. Now we'll put all these expressions into the Slutsky's equation. Okay. Uh, so here, so for this price effect, we have the expression as m by 2px square, and for this substitution effect, this you have 4px square minus m by 4px square. ओके, तो अभी हमारे पास क्या है, इस माइनस माइनस ये प्लस हो जाएगा, टर्म साइन माइनस का ही रहेगा, एंड यू विल गेट 2m by 4px square. Okay, and 2 to the 4, it will cancel out, and you will get same value m by 2px square. Okay, and which is equals to your price effect. So you'll get the proof for this, that your price effect is the sum of your substitution effect and the income effect, right? This is the final term that you have got, and this is a kind of proof as well. Okay. So this is a numerical example. You have been given the demand functions and you have been given the indirect utility function, and you have to solve it based on the Slutsky's equation. And we have derived it. Okay. So this is done.